Hi there, eighth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and week 17, the end of our year together. First of all, let me just say thank you so much to everyone who put in the effort, especially these last 2 months getting through. I know being an online school, a lot of us were already doing school online 100%, but not everyone in your class was, not everyone. And there have been a lot of changes the last couple of months. And I just want to thank everyone who has put in the effort to make it all the way through. Some of you have worked really, really hard and earned some really good grades. Some of you have worked and earned grades. I'll say that. And with that, let's just go over our last week and a half together. So week 17 schedule for the final as we go through here. All you'll find is your week 17 discussion. This will help you review for the final. Our final, it's not even available until Friday, so there's no point in going to it at this point. You'll only be able to take it twice, and you have to do it in under an hour. So that's a little bit different. That's quite a bit different than our weekly quizzes and things like that. You'll also see extra credit here. A couple of people have done that if you're interested in that. If you are missing assignments, don't bother with the extra credit. Go back and do the actual assignments. Would be much more valuable for your time than doing the extra credit. So week 17, on Tuesday when you'll see this, watching this video, of course, go through the Read Me First announcements and objectives. This will help you set up a schedule and start your studying over this semester. Week 17 discussion, as you get into that, you'll see that. Remember, post and 2 replies as always. Make sure you look at the rubric. And then what you need to study for the final exam. Your study guide is right here. And then there are 3 videos here that I would like you to watch. They should just really help spur on a lot of the things that we have talked about. And then the actual exam. So what I would like you to do, just follow the suggested schedule. Try and get your discussion board posted and replies done by Thursday. Using the study guide, you can go ahead and be ready by Friday. Remember, you can only take it twice. There's a 1-hour limit. Possibly what you can do, take it on Friday. If you have any thing that you're not sure about, then Tuesday you can retake the final exam. And of course, over this time, if you have any missing assignments, I'd actually suggest trying to get the missing assignments done earlier in the week to help you study. I mean, it helps you study for the final and all of that good stuff. Tuesday, the 20th, try and get everything in. Ooh, I'm sorry, that should say Wednesday. I'll fix that. That should say Wednesday the 20th. So this is Tuesday, retake the final exam. And then Wednesday, everything turned in by 3 p.m. today. I can't give an exception, even if I wanted to. So get your stuff done. All right, let me know if you have any questions. And again, thank you all so much for being a great class and all your participation. Those of you who have helped each other out in multiple ways, really appreciate it. All right, thanks and take care.